A very spacious living and dining area. Platforms provided, but if you want, you can customize. The bedroom is very spacious if you want to place sofa. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project at Plot 38 by IM Buildcon located in Goregaon East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual tower where the construction is in full swing. This is the main road and the neighborhood of the project. This is the main road. It is Goregaon Mulund Link Road and the neighborhood of the project. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Now, talking about the project overview, this project will be constructed on a land parcel of 1 acre, having 1 tower with 2 basements plus ground plus 3 levels of podium parking plus 35 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Talking about the amenities, this project has 20 plus amenities with infinity swimming pool, jacuzzi, clubhouse, gym, party lawn, golf area, indoor games, kids play area and many more amenities. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Goregaon Mulund Link Road near Oberoi Mall, Goregaon East. From where RA Metro Station is only 5 minutes walk, Goregaon Railway Station is only 5 minutes drive, Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 2 minutes walk, and school, colleges and hospitals within distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour of this project. So now, we are standing outside the 3 BHK of our plot 38. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1204 square feet. Let's begin with the sample flat tour and see what the builder has provided. As we enter, you can see you will get a very spacious living and dining area. You can place your sofas, set the tables, customize your TV unit. You can also make a study corner or a gaming corner and then place your dining table. You will get full French windows in the living and vitrified tiles in the whole flat. Over here, you can make your dining corner and you can easily place a 6 to 8 people dining table to enjoy mealtime with your family. As that is the entrance of the 3 BHK, on the left we have 2 bedrooms and on the right we have 1 bedroom. Moving to the first bedroom, this will be a first master bedroom where you can place your beds, side tables and customize your wardrobes. You will also get full French windows in the bedroom. And this will be the attached washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward to the other bedrooms, before the bedrooms we have the kitchen where you will get platforms provided, but if you want, you can customize that as per your choice. You have place to place your refrigerator, your washing machine, and you will also get full French windows in the kitchen. Moving forward, this will be a common bedroom that you can also make your kids' bedroom, your study table, your study corner or whatever you need. You can place your beds. And over here is full French windows of this common bedroom. You can also customize wardrobe in this bedroom. And over here we will have the common washroom. Right now it is locked, but it will also come with anti-skid tiles and all the wall fittings. Now, before moving forward, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours. We give you actual location tours. We tell you the pros and cons of the project. and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the largest master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter over here, you will get a foyer area that gives your bedroom full privacy. You can place your beds, side tables and customize your wardrobe. The bedroom is very spacious if you want to place sofas or couches in the corner to make a seating corner, and you will get full French windows in L shape in this master bedroom. Over here, you will get the attached washroom, which will be very spacious with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Applaud 38. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, I would like to ask you one question. You have been watching the videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make? According to you, do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Applaud 38 by MI Buildcon located in Goregaon East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.